We are pleased to show you the 2019 Leaf. The Nissan Leaf, or leading, environmentally friendly, affordable family car, is an electric car you can truly feel good about driving. Zero emissions plus zero gasoline equal more green on the road and more green in your wallet, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, electronic stability control, heated steering wheel. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.